I was out in my garden early this morning. The sun is shining super bright. But I was working in my garden and I was hand pollinating some squash, and I was thinking about male and female plant parts and how most people probably don't know that even exists. And I've been teaching my third graders as I'm working on my little homestead. I've been teaching them a lot about plants. I wanted to share this because I thought it was kind of interesting. So if you've been growing things and you have tons of blooms, but you do not have a lot of fruit being produced or vegetables being produced, like this is an example. So I can show you. I have a cucumber plant here. I have tons of blooms, if you can see them here. Tons of blooms, they're all down here. Very few fruit. So there's a major difference between the plant parts. So if you look at the spaghetti squash here, this, oh shit. Okay. Okay, there's a pollinator at work there. Okay. But if you don't have pollinators, I'm gonna move this. Oh no, the bee is already there. He's pollinating for me. Okay, so let me see if I can do this without disturbing the pollinator. If you notice the female plant, you see the fruit on the end of it. You can see pollination actually happening at this very moment. He's flying back and forth, but the male flower has a stamen on the inside. Here's a male flower that doesn't have a bee in it. Has a stamen on the inside. It looks like this. Single little stem here, you can see. But the female flower, the bee's still working. It's going to multiple male flowers, so we might not know who the baby daddy is of this fruit or vegetable. Oh, he's coming back. But the female flower has a stigma, and you can actually hand pollinate by just rubbing the inside of the male plant and the inside of the female plant right into the little ovary part here, and you'll have a squash. Same thing over here. This bee is just pollinating, which is probably going to cause some cross-pollination, but he's in a male flower, but this right here would be a female flower that's been pollinated. You can see the bloom is already dying off. That's going to form into a cucumber. So just a little bit on male and female plants. I'm going to stop before I possibly get stung in this hideout here.